Right, we're on another little job. We've come off that extension. Just got a little job to do, I'll show you. So this is coming out. It hasn't got a chimney above it. I had a quick look at loft when I was pricing the job up, and I think we can just drop it. The chimney's been took off before, and it's just this. We're in a bedroom here. We're not downstairs. We're up above in bedroom. So take that out, re-skim it. That's the job. But the radiator has to be moved today. I'm going to try and get Mark plumber, so I don't have to do that. And then a little extra job here that's turned up today. All plaster's falling off wall, so we're going to have to get that down. So let's crack on. Chimney first.
This is just, it's not even nailed on this one.
I know, I think that'll the walls like that, you know. That'll be a mess, that one, I think.
Yeah. Oh my god, it's like a lot.
Well, there's no there, is there? What's that that's hanging? Oh, he's just bricking it.
Just brick, mate. Yeah.
What's above it now? What's
Roof.
above it now? Roof.
Roof.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Cool.
Yeah.
Should just be straight, take it straight down. Happy days. What problem we've got, I've noticed this crack here on the other side of the wall, which won't get done. It's got some big, it's totally gone. Am I going to end up re-skimming this thing? I don't know.
So.
I might end up patching that though, because what's the point in leaving it if it's just going to crack when they paint it? Every time we do a job, it just gets bigger, doesn't it? We turn up and they've just added a load more work on for us. They just tell us it's a little job just to get us here, and then when we get here, it's, oh yeah, this, can you do this? Can you do that?
Well, a couple of days.
Oh well, let's crack on.
Love it.
And that's what the inside of it looks like. So it splits into two flues. Well, we got that out yesterday, now we're having a total disaster. It's just all loose. That's been redone, that little bit. All that's loose, all that's loose. She said, can I skim this wall? No, it's just totally gone. And there's another wall there as well that needs doing, really. So we've got some problems. Might cost her a bit of money, this. But we need to keep it on budget because she ain't got that much. There's not I can do about that though. Decided to take that wall off, and that wall's coming off and all. I'm just putting some SBR on just to make it, you know, a bit, get rid of all dust so it'll stick. So I'll give it a coat in this. I ain't got a roller, but it'll have to be brushed on. I'm just taking that wall off while I'm starting to hold this. Make sure I'm alright. Oh man, I'm going for it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yummy. Oh, stay clean all day now. I've just got that on my shoe. Right, that boarded, ceiling bit patched in. that boarded, that's still to board. We've got a radiator on though now. I've just got a plaster mix. I'm just gonna put this on today because it's getting late already. So just do this one. Hopefully we can get that boarded. Hopefully. Alright, see how this goes. Probably not well. It's been a while. Oh, I've still got it, look. I'm just rolling it off with this because the trowel I'm using, I can't find my steel trowel. I'm using a flexi to put it on with and it leaves bumps. So it's at that other job, I think. So what I'm doing is, if I do it with this first, then we should be, it should get it nice and flat. A few boards on, right, second coat now, let's get that on. Get this boarded today and I'll finish floating that off and voila, it'll do, won't it? Yeah. Fingers.
Yeah.
Yeah, why not?
A bit of stardust every now and again, and I'm going to sprinkle a bit of stardust. I mean, I love my producers, right?
That is it. All them ceilings patched. It's all drying out, look. Ended up, so it was supposed to be that wall, well, a patching there, take chimney out, patching, and we ended up doing that, and ripping out plaster off, and put floor back down, and Mark's put a radiator on. So that is it. We've also done some stuff downstairs. Took a wall out and put that damp injection in. It was just bit of it coming through, but I think it was from the floor, so sealed all the floor and that. I think it coming up from that wall. But yeah, so that is it. Hope you enjoyed this one anyway. Back on the big build, boarding and stuff in there. Oh, he's got to add windows fitted as well, so super. So we're off back there Monday. So right, if you enjoyed this one, like, subscribe, comment, and I will catch you in the next one. See you later.